gosh, that was really nerve-wracking. Why are you calling them?
I want to see if it killed my antennae.
300.
300 bridges? Probably, I wouldn't be surprised.
Oh my gosh, my stomach.
Yep, mine too.
I'm concentrated.
I know.
I'm learning how to drive.
Doing a great job.
Is it beautiful out here?
When you're driving, it is.
See, it looks really deceiving. Oh, can't tell at all. Looks like it's gonna hit it. No! Oh my god. Why are you calling them?
I want to see if it killed my antennae. Any vessel for a radio check? Lafayette Bridge.
Lafayette Bridge, this is ICW Georgetown. Loud and clear.
Roger that. Thank you, Captain.
Oh my gosh, that was really nerve-wracking.
Uh-huh.
It looked like we were gonna
Hit it.
like 3 feet.
Uh-huh.
It looked like we were gonna
Uh-huh. Hit it. So I was going like
my
one knot.
tummy is like all knotted up.
Yeah. Welcome to the ICW, baby. That's why I just love it so much. I wouldn't mind so much going slow, but it's goddamn fucking bridges. We have to go through like, time it needs to right now. It's like we have to go like 26 bridges. Well, just from Wilmington up to Norfolk.
Well,
Doesn't look like there's too many for this one.
there's 0. Now there's no more before
All
we
the
get
way
to
up
the
to
marina.
Right, and then after that,
About 300.
300 bridges. Probably, I wouldn't be surprised.
Oh my gosh, my stomach.
Yep, mine too. But we did it.
Oh. All right, here, give me a high five.
It's a swamp boat. gorgeous morning. Gorgeous morning. Blinded by that sun.
I don't know. It's hard to tell. I don't know, baby. Huh. We did it. I don't know. It's really tough to tell. Couple inches? It's pretty damn close.
Perfect. She said that you should probably slow down because she wants us. Yeah, it's opening.
Not yet, but now we are. See, no scraping on my watch.
Another two fish. Last time. Switch 6 to 8. Two fish harmony. So where did you guys, you passed us and now we're right near the bridge. Where did you guys sleep? How are we doing on time?
Good. Right now, we're gonna get there about 6 minutes before it opens at this speed of 2.8. We're trying to slow down the boat so that so it opens at perfect timing.
Morning! What a good spot. You guys can grab breakfast and then come down.
Now, scraping. One says show 66. Good, you didn't touch.
did whistle at me. Oh. What?
Too far to the right.
Too far what? To the left?
Ah, yeah. Too far to the right.
To the right? Shelby.
You're really close to that.
Oh, wow. A foot over. What?
Oh wait, it's a video.
Oh.